I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I am so glad you guys are back for another video. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you turned on the post notifications when you hit subscribe and follow along on my social media, where you can see recipes, productivity tips, and all types of things that can help improve your lifestyle. So I usually don't film on the fly like this. I'm not even in my normal location. I'm just kind of standing in my room. I just got back from the gym and running errands. I had a chiropractic appointment. I want to start being more candid with you guys, and that is kind of the whole point of this video. So I just went to Trader Joe's because the one that I live near is actually like 40 minutes away, so I only go there a few times a year, to be honest. And I wanted to share a haul with you guys because I was astounded at how much money I saved versus shopping at my normal grocery store. I'm gonna share some fitness tips and macro hacks with you guys, as well as some great dorm options for you college students and how to stay on a budget. We are just going to get into this haul. I'm not gonna do this in any particular order. I'm just gonna kind of run through everything. The reason that I was even up near this Trader Joe's is because I am doing a new rehab treatment for my sciatica. I was seeing my chiropractor. I was seeing my CrossFit. I was seeing my chiropractor, so I had to get like x-rays done and all that stuff. But for everyone who wished me and my team good luck this past weekend, I really appreciate it. We did pretty well. So the first thing that I stocked up on was the everything but the bagel seasoning. Call me basic, whatever, it's delicious. And it was $1.49, which I think is a sale price. So I got 5. I also found these organic chia bars. They have almonds, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. They are gluten-free. These were $2.99, and I had the receipt. What did I do with them? Yes, a box was $2.99. There are 5 in a box, so it's kind of less than your average like grocery store, but whatever, it's fine. They might be like 6. 100 calories, 4.5 fat, 14 carb, 3 fiber, 5 sugar, 2 protein. So it's a nice little snack. I actually got these because I think they'd be good on my protein ice cream. I picked up some chomp sticks. These are not a Trader Joe's brand, but they are my favorite kind of like jerky meat stick Slim Jim alternative, because the turkey only has 70 calories, 2 fat, 0 carb, 10 protein. So these are awesome. They were only $1.69 for one, and they're like $3 at my natural food store. This is a new find. I've never seen any other store do something like this, but if you're someone who likes pepperoni or salami, you know, a hard meat, I guess. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna forget I said that. This is the Trader Joe's Natural Turkey Summer Sausage. So I'm thinking it might be as exclusive for the summer, but it is like a appetizer kind of thing. And the macros are ridiculous. For 2 ounces, it's 4 fat, 2 carb, 12 protein. You can have this with like crackers and cheese and veggies, and it's gonna be good. That was $3.99, also extremely well priced. This is the fat-free crumbled feta. I pay about $7 for a container like this at my local grocery store. This one was only $2.99. Literally everything I bought was $2.99. I've been wanting to try the macadamia nut milk, and this is the unsweetened one, and this was also $2.29. The macros are 30 cal, 2.5 fat, 1 carb, 1 protein, so it's similar to your normal like almond milk or cashew milk. I needed a stock up on my maca powder. Mine has expired, and this one was $4.99. Maca is really good to throw into like smoothies or on protein ice cream. You can mix it into pancakes if you wanted to. It's a Peruvian root vegetable. It contains a lot of antioxidants and nutrients that help with energy and hormone balance. It's great for women. Love that. Also decided to try a seasoning salt. This is just like an all-purpose salt. It was $1.29. Yes. Switch up my chicken for my meal prep. Trader Joe's also has come out with their own almond cheese. I pay $6 to $7 for this at like a Whole Foods or natural food store. Their version, not only does it have better macros, calories for 28 grams, 2 fat and 3 carb, and 6 protein. I'm pretty sure this is better than the one that I have currently. Down $3.49, so it's literally half the price of the alternative. I also picked up their fat-free cottage cheese. It is 80 calories for half a cup, 0 fat, and 4 carb, 4 protein. I've been using the Nancy's cultured cottage cheese. It has really great probiotics. It's very cultured, you can taste it, it's more bitter. It is better for the gut, but I did want to try this. So this particular cottage cheese is not like a gut healthy, you know, high in probiotic. They were having a sale on their oven roasted turkey breast, $2.99 a pack. I usually pay like $6 for this at my store. It is just, you know, all natural, very minimally processed, which I love. There's no nitrates, so that is awesome. I obviously tried to get the gnocchis made from cauliflower and they were sold out and they're not gonna be restocked till the fall. So I was really sad about that. I did get some veggies, but I also picked up this Mykonos brand cream cheese, vegan cream cheese. This is supposed to be like salmon cream cheese, like lox version. And I also picked up the, oh, I got 2 of the same. Crap, I thought I bought 1 plain. Okay, well now I have 2 vegan salmon cream cheeses. These were $5.49, but I understand that. It's a little cheaper than Whole Foods, but this is a brand that's not a Trader Joe's brand. Frozen asparagus. I've actually never bought frozen asparagus, but it's super expensive where I live right now, and this was a good alternative, so I paid $2.99 for this. I've heard a lot of cool things about the stir-fry cauliflower rice, so I also picked up one of those. That was also $2.99. My brother wanted to try the sweet potato gnocchi, so we got one of those. And the macros are pretty good, except there's a lot of fat, so 1 serving is 12 grams of fat, 33 carb. Yeah, I'll probably not do that. Found you guys a solid dressing for price and for macros. So the price of this Trader Joe's Green Goddess salad dressing was $3.69, and it's vegan. It is super clean, and it has 20 calories for 2 tablespoons, 2 fat, 1 carb. Everybody, go get this. These are things that are like stock up items. They're not necessarily gonna be used each week. So for $75.33, that's a lot of stuff to kind of get me through. There's some snacky things, some seasoning things that I can use throughout my meal prep for the next, you know, few months really. Freezer things, so they're not gonna perish. This would have easily been $100 at my store. I am pretty excited that all of that was only 75 bucks. I think anytime you get 2 large grocery bags for under 100 bucks, you're definitely winning. But I hope you guys like these types of videos. If you wanna see how I meal prep or some dorm-friendly recipes, let me know down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the more health and fitness content. I'm so happy you guys are loving this back to school series. We have so many more videos coming out for you guys. Make sure you check the Instagram accounts because we're gonna be doing giveaways exclusively on there as well. I will have links to all of my back to school videos. If you have not clicked subscribe yet, I would well, not highly encourage you. I mean, I would highly encourage you, but I'd be super grateful if you did. As always, I hope you're doing well. If you are starting school this week, good luck to you guys. But as always, I will see you in the next video.